These are the tools that I'm going to use during our clean down. And the tray is what I put my wing nuts in so I can keep them straight. So after I run down the jumbo carder, run off the fiber, then I will start by removing the plates, and then we're going to work on the intake rollers, and we'll start part 1 of the video of clean down. All right, so I have removed the shields. I have my wing nuts sorted, and we'll get ready to clean down the intake rollers. So go in here, and you always want to go with them, with the teeth. This is smooth and this way grabs. So I want to brush up. On those rollers and remove the fiber. And then, are you clear?
Clear.
These are the 2 sets of rollers that we're working on right now. All right. Okay. Ready?
Clear.
Okay. Just a second. Let me pull my emergency stop. And now I can control. All right, run.
Run.
And we just advance it just a little bit. And then I clean what I can reach. And Kira cleans underneath.
Clear.
All right, run. All right, if you want to catch Kira cleaning the bottom roller. And we keep advancing until the rollers are clear.
Clear.
Run. And this roller is clean.
This roller is clean.